Okay, we are live. How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are doing good. Yes? Okay, people are here. Great. So, I want to tell you guys how I'm doing this. I figured I was going to do it, and I wasn't even going to go live. Yeah, I was gonna buy some Bitcoin tonight, and I was just gonna go to bed, and just call it a. Damn, Bob, did you use my triage oil on it? You've got my triage oil, right? Damn, man, somebody just sent me a thing saying they broke a toe. I can't remember who it was. I think it was OD Dub or somebody. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin's dropping, man. Bitcoin's at 35.4. The lowest it went today was 35.1. So right now it's at 35.4. I'm going to bring that up so you guys can see that. And I'm going to tell you how I'm going to go about longing Bitcoin. And I'm going to tell you what shorting is. I mean, you've heard of the movie The Big Short. You hear people talking like Carl talking on the moon, talking about shorting Bitcoin. And it doesn't make sense because when you're like, what do you mean you're shorting? You're selling off your shit. How do you make money from selling off your shit? I'm going to explain that to you today. So you guys will understand every time you hear Carl say, we're going to short Bitcoin, you guys will know what he means. And so for those of you... Oh, yeah. Thank you. For those of you guys that are... thanks, Jackie. For those of you guys that are... that are interested in learning what this is, I guarantee you, by the end of this show, you will know what it means. Okay? You'll know what longing and shorting is. It's not complicated. Okay? Longing is buying. Shorting is selling. That's really that's the basis to it. It's that simple. Longing is buying. Shorting is selling. I'm going to be buying. I'm watching the price of Bitcoin right now. It's at 35.5. I wanted to get it. It was at 35.9. And I was like, you know what? Not today. I'm going to do my research, and I'm going to watch a video from the moon, Carl. I'm going to pull up my charts, and I'm going to do my research this time, and I'm going to do this right. I want to buy as close to the bottom as I can. So you got to be wondering, well, Nay, I thought you said you couldn't ever tell what the bottom is. So I pulled up a video from Carl the Moon, and I watched the video 3 or 4 times to really familiarize myself with what he was saying. And it's a very short, quick video, but he's very frustrating. He's very frustrating in that he's always bragging about how his shorts make them money. And he always says, and our shorts make us money too. We can make money whether Bitcoin is gaining or losing. And then he never fucking explains it on his show. And that's obnoxious. It's almost like it's a big fucking secret. Ooh, we're going to short Bitcoin and make a lot of money. Ha ha, you don't know what that means. Well, you know what? Fuck you, Carl. Why don't you just tell people sometimes? It would be nice. I didn't even fucking really understand it until recently. And I wanted to just because I thought it would help me better understand my investment that I've made in crypto. So, hours ago, it's very low volume, but just pay attention, okay? And whenever he gets to a point, that I want to go over, I'll pause the video and I'll explain it to you, okay? This is how I'm using this video right here to long Bitcoin. I'm using this, and this guy is a day trader, and I'm using his day trading shorting information so I can long Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Here we go.
To the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this very quick video because earlier today we broke out of this rising wedge. We broke right there. We started to fall down.
So what he's saying is when it gets below that green box, that long rectangle in the middle of the screen, when it gets below that, it's going to really drop. I clued right in on that. I said, okay, so where is that? I looked and I saw where that price was. And I said, okay, I put my high res on, so I could see what he was talking about. And I paid very close attention because I want to buy in some more Bitcoin. I want to lower my average cost on Bitcoin by buying in when the price is lower than when I've ever bought it before, right? So I'm going to buy just a little bit, but it's going to help lower my average cost of what I paid for it. And that's what I'm trying to do because it makes it more valuable, Plus, I'll have more. And if I want to sell it off when it goes up, I can do that as well. And I can make money, and I can have more Bitcoin. It doesn't fucking matter. I've dropped no frames. Is everybody got a good connection, guys? I've dropped no frames on this show. Is everybody got a good connection? You guys let me know, please. I'm waiting for you guys to answer me, man. So I can get going. I really want to do the show. I haven't even done a bong hit or a dab or anything yet. Bob's the only person who can respond. Can you guys tell me if there's a problem with my connection? Bob said, I keep freezing up. I'm asking the rest of you. Am I freezing up? Can you tell me, how's my connection? Can anybody else answer me? I'm not showing any dropping frames, so I'm just going to keep going. You guys aren't answering me.
Below the green support box. And I did enter into a...
This is what aggravates the hell out of me. I entered into this short position and I'm at 78.9% and I'm making all this money. And you have what do you mean you entered into a short position? You sold your Bitcoin. How does that mean you're making money? How can you put a percentage on nothing? That doesn't even make sense, right? Well, now I understand what that means. And I'm going to tell you what that means so you guys understand what douchebag's talking about when he says fucking shorting Bitcoin. Since he doesn't want to fucking tell you what it is. Such an asshole. Oh, go watch my other video to go learn what I'm talking about. Fuck you, Carl. Why don't you just say, hey man, I saw the price, it was a certain place, and I knew that the price was going to drop. So I sold off a whole bunch of Bitcoin. $50,000 of Bitcoin, whatever it is he's playing with. $100,000 of Bitcoin. He sold it because he knew the price was going to drop. He's shorting it. So his position is at 78.93%, meaning the price of Bitcoin has dropped 78.93% of what he has put in, I believe. I don't exactly, it's not, of course the price of Bitcoin hasn't dropped 78.93% overall. It hasn't. But it dropped so that he is earning this amount because he's using, most likely, leverage. I'm not sure. He doesn't fucking say. So you got to kind of guess. But when you use leverage, it can increase your yield of what you're making. And leverage is, you're gambling. And, the only people who should be using it are people like him that know what they're doing. The only reason I'm watching this and getting and learning it and understanding is just so I can take a long position. What do you mean by long position? I want to buy some Bitcoin and I want to buy it at the cheapest I can. How am I going to find out? Well, he fucking says how low he thinks it's going to go. Here, watch this.
Took a Bitcoin short. Remember that we are making money when it's going up and when it's going down.
Yeah, well, we're making money when it's going up and when it's going down, but I'm not going to tell you fucking how I'm doing it. All right, it's at 35.4 right now. I'm getting massive problems with my computer for no reason at all. For no fucking reason at all. So give me a second here. I'm going to close some software and hopefully... I'm also watching ratios. So I'm going to explain that to you too. I got ratios up. Still at 100%. Why? Okay, I better close ratios. 100% CPU, man. Okay, CPU just dropped as soon as I closed ratios. Okay, good. All right, we should be good. All right. So, anyhow, you know, it's like he almost gets a kick out of using these terms that a lot of new people don't understand. Like he's in some fucking club and you're not in it. You know, what a douchebag. It's just douchebaggery. Why don't you fucking explain it to the layman, dude? What's so fucking wrong with being open? Look at the fucking expression on his face. He's so fucking proud of himself, like his shit don't stink. You know, all he's doing is he's got a whole bunch of Bitcoin that he's playing with, right? Let's say $100,000 worth. Maybe he's playing with $500,000 worth. Who knows? He's got a lot of money. He knows when Bitcoin is about to drop in price. So he sells his Bitcoin when it's at one of these high points. You know, he sells it. He sells like $100,000 worth or $500,000 worth. Then he watches the price drop, right? And as it drops, when he goes back in and buys it at the low, his gain is that percentage that he's always fucking bragging about and shoving in your face like a fucking cuck bitch that he is. God, he's such a cuck bitch.
So took a Bitcoin short. Remember that we are making money when it's going up and when it's going down.
And by the way, you should all be subscribed to his channel if you really want to learn crypto. But look how this cuck bitch just rubs it in your face.
Report box. And I did enter into a short. So I'm shorting Bitcoin right now. My position is up 80% in profits. Big shout out to all of you guys if you also took a Bitcoin short. Remember that we are making money when it's going up and when it's going down.
Why don't you fucking explain it, you douchebag? Why don't you ever tell someone what you mean when you say that instead of saying you make money when the value of Bitcoin goes down? Why don't you just say it? Because we sell it off, because we're fucking shorting it, because we're douchebags. Because that's what douchebags do. They short the fucking market. And they hurt everybody else out there. These guys are assholes, man. They're fucking sharks. And when he sits there and he's like, oh, the bears, the bears, the bears. Do you know who the fucking bears are? This motherfucker and everybody else who shorts this shit for their own fucking greed. Because they don't give a fuck.
On my channel, so subscribe right now to get all of these signals in the future. And scroll down below the video, because below the video you find the Bybit link that you have to click to claim the $1.6 thousand bonus. And this bonus is only going to be available for a limited time. You guys please share this video, thank you. So register now. It takes only 25 seconds.
If you shared this video, the Bitcoin target? Like Dice
First
Man.
of all, Bitcoin is running into a little bit of support.
That's it, one person shared it.
Let's
Dice
see.
Man,
So
thank you.
Right here it's a bit of a support zone. The 34.9k level, support there, and then the next big support would be, I would say, right there at 33.5 because of some support right there. But essentially, what I've said before is that the technical target out of this rising wedge is, of course, always the bottom of the wedge. So the technical target is all the way down at $31,200 approximately. So we could maybe fall even further. I'm not 100% convinced about that, but I am still in my short position. If I do see any signs of a reversal, maybe bullish divergence or something, then I will take profits on my short. But right now I'm keeping it open because essentially we're falling down here. And yeah, we were in a bull trend. The bulls were in control, but it seems now to me that the bears are stepping back in.
You're the bears.
On the 4-hour time frame, taking back control. Yeah, we broke this green box. Obviously, if Bitcoin can come back above the green box here, that would be fantastic for the bulls. But right now, the bears are in control here on the 4-hour time frame. So this was just a very, very quick video.
funny how you refer to the bears in the third person as if you are not one of them. Anyhow, this is how I find out where I'm going to buy in at. So I watch the price. He said it could go as low as 32, 31 something. He drew a line to it as well.
Take profits here if we do see any signs of a bounce, but right now I didn't see that happen. My Telegram alerts channel where I give you some signals, and my Twitter, because if I do something drastic here, I will update you on these platforms. But guys, if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin, watch my Bybit tutorial. It is by far the
dude. And then he goes off and starts bragging about it's the greatest video ever produced by a human being ever. He says, I'm like, God, you're such an asshole, dude. You are such an asshole. Me with my fucking 8 viewers. What do you guys think? So now you understand what longing and shorting is, right? Shorting is when you think it's going to go down, you sell off a whole bunch, and then it drops, and then when you think it hits the bottom, you buy it all back, and you make money, and that's the percentage you make. That percentage that he's showing you, that's what that percentage is. When he buys it back, that's how much he's... At that moment, if he were to buy it back right then, that's where his percentage is at. That's how much he'll make on whatever it was. Now, the one thing he's not telling you is how much his fees are. He's not telling you if he's using leverage. You know, there's a few things going on right there that it would be nice to know. It's down to 35.3, everybody. Do you see this? The value is, this is exactly what I've been looking for. I've been watching it go down 100 every hour. It's been dropping $100, $100, $100. So if I figure if it goes down to 32, that's when I'll buy a little chunk of it, you know, based off of what Carl said. And I can pull up Ratios on YouTube and see if Ratios says to go ahead and buy, you know, and that'll be another thing. So I can watch Carl. I can watch this chart. I've got it on my phone so I can see the daily low. I've got the daily low right here, 153. I've got it up on Robinhood, which gives a great representation of what's going on. And you can see that big drop. And I was going to buy, and boy, oh boy, man, I waited, and boom, all of a sudden it went through that freaking drop right there. Look. And it's been dropping ever since. That's the last hour. You can see that drop, and it's been dropping and dropping and dropping. And I'm like, okay, I'm waiting. Maybe it is actually going to go down to fucking 31.8. You know, he said that that's a level of fucking resistance. And you go back, there's 2 levels of resistance, and he tells you what they are. And you watch, and if it bounces up, and it's not, doesn't look like it's going to go back down, then that's when you buy in. You want to try to get this at the lowest possible price to make the most amount of return on your investment. Right? So I am longing Bitcoin while Carl is shorting it. He makes a lot more money than me. But he could lose everything. You know, he could literally lose. You know how he's flipping, like, let's say $50,000, $100,000, whatever. He's making all this money. When he's leveraging and he feels real confident and he uses leverage, he can end up owing more than what he staked, depending on what he leveraged. When you hear these guys saying they got wrecked and shit, they're talking about doing stupid shit like that. losing a whole lot of money. It's down to 35.38. And just keeps dropping and dropping and dropping, which is fine. You know, it's unbelievable to have the feeling that you're watching Bitcoin drop in value and you feel good about it because you want to purchase some. And that's exactly what I'm going through right now. I want to purchase a little bit of Bitcoin. You know, I want to get it at the lowest possible price I can, and then I want to watch Bitcoin raise in value. And then I wouldn't mind taking that money out when it goes up. See, and that's the thing I don't understand. So he's got this percentage. He buys in. He's bragging about shorting it. But he only makes money if the value goes back up. 35.38, guys. This is incredible. Just like he said, he always says, exactly as I predicted. This fucking crazy little bastard, little fucking Nazi bitch motherfucker. I'm telling you, you guys should all be watching his channel. Are you guys with me? Is anybody here with me right now watching? Are you guys enjoying the show? My CPU is at 64%. I've dropped only 8 frames for the entire show. Okay, are you guys with me? You guys listening to me? Can you hear me? What, is it better if I do this with the microphone? Is this better? I'll turn this microphone over. Can you hear me better now? Bob Reed is here. Who else is here? Tula is here. Hi, Tula. I got Bob Reed and I got Tula. Who else is going to say hello to me? 10 more people, guys. Don't act like I don't see the number. I see there's 10 of you that aren't talking to me. Who are you? Who are the 10? Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend. Hey, it went back up. It's at 35.41. So we can expect to see this, I think. But, you know, I should have written down those numbers that Carl said. I was pretty sure he said 31.8, but there's another level of resistance above it. And if it bound, and so we should know what that is. So let me pull that up again, and we'll watch it again. We'll give him another view. Fuck him. Fuck him. Let's do it live. We got Rashis. We got Rashis. Oh, fucking A, man. History. Okay. We could just go to that one part in the video. And I can just see what those levels of resistance are. Because my CPU goes to 100%. Dude, I hit pause, you fucking douchebags. Okay. His levels of resistance are 31 and 32.2. So if it bounces, it's most likely going to bounce at 32.2 if it gets down there. Now, he said if it gets under 37, which it is, it's at 35. He said if it goes under 37, it's going to drop. And he says, I don't know how far it's going to drop. He says, but if it gets under that level, he says, first point of resistance is 35. Right at 35. And if it goes under 35, then it's going to go all the way down to 32.2. And then if it gets under 32.2, it'll stop probably at 31 and go back up. So thousands of dollars difference in the price of Bitcoin if we wait and we sit here and we watch it and we're patient and we see what it does. Um, it's a good opportunity for me because most of my Bitcoin, all of my Bitcoin purchases were above this price, all of them. So it's a good opportunity for me, you know. But at 35.4, and I know that the low today was 35.1 at least, and he's saying it can go all the way down to 32.2 and 31. 32.2, 32.3 basically. It should bounce off of 32.3. If it goes to fucking 32.3, I might be like, man, this might be my spot. But right now is too. You know, right now, I mean, all of this whole area is way below anywhere I've ever bought Bitcoin at. Ever. So now we go to ratios, right? Um, Give me a second here. All right, so they're on sell still on ratios, so I can show you guys ratios. And I pull this one up. I really trust this. This site right here, you know, these markers are great. So let me show it to you full screen. Ratios is showing you buy markers. Right here's a buy, and then the price went up. And then a sell marker, and then the price goes down. And then a buy marker, and the price goes up. Then a sell marker, and the price goes down. Then a buy marker, and the price goes up. Then a sell marker, and the price goes down. And that's where we are right now. So if this says buy, I'm going to be inclined to make my purchase. Or at least half of it. You know? So I'm going to keep my eye on that ratios. Ratios is great, man. And you guys should, if you guys are looking for a real-time analysis of Bitcoin, let me see if I can reduce. Oh, this is an extra window. Let's get rid of that. See if that helps my CPU. Let me see if I just... Does that help my CPU if I just... So, just... Wow. Doing that does nothing. I have to actually close Windows. Close the amount, or turn down the amount of bandwidth each Window's using. And I got this one on 720. So let's put it down to 480. CPU is still at 100. 100. It should drop. I'm trying to figure out what else I'm running, but I don't see what else is running. I don't understand it. So what we're looking at right here is this area right here where my mouse is. Not on the left side, but on the right side. We're looking right here. See, you see right here is the last cell. We're looking for one of these to appear. We're looking for a green buy marker to jump right there in our faces. And as soon as we see that, I'm going to get the inclination to make a purchase. We're at 35,400, 35,37. You know, I'm looking for that fucking 32, 32.2. What's up with that 32.3? I'm looking for that 32.3. Here, watch this. Resistance at 32.3. I put that in the chat. Then it drops to 30. What would I say? 31. I'm longing in. I'm longing in. At 32 or 31K-ish. Nay, I wish I was as smart as you are in this. Bob, I'm not smart, man. I'm just listening to other podcasters, man. You know? You could do that too. You could watch these websites and listen to the Moon Carl and listen to Benson Crypto and Coin Bureau and BitBoy Crypto and Cryptos Are Us. There's so many. DAP. I want a 32. 32K. Then up. It's going down to 32K, man. That's what I'm telling everybody. I'm in there just acting like I know exactly what I'm talking about. $33K first. Yup. But I'm longing in at fucking 32, bro, as soon as I see that goddamn buy. 35.0, guys. 35.0. Drop. 34.9. Wow. Drop. Here we go. Dude, I am so glad I waited. This is how we do it, guys. This is exactly what I was telling you guys about. This is the title of the video, is how I do this in the most advantageous way, and to use the tools I have at my disposal to do it. I've already saved myself $1,000 in profit, I'm sure, over the long haul. So, these guys are saying 30, 34. No. 32.2K is first support. Then 31K. This is great because I got everybody talking about this in there now at Races. Just fucking hodl in there, guys. We're good. We're going to be fine. It's going to hit that point and we're going to bounce right up. Just like fucking Carl says. There's a bounce right there at 35. There's a big bounce at 35. A big bounce. Okay. That's huge. Dude, could it recover right now? 35.1. I wonder if it's gonna go back down. It's just going up. 35.1, man. This could be the bottom. This could be the bottom. It could be it. So I'm gonna make a little purchase. Wait. It's curling back. 35.14, 35.13, 35.14. 35.15, 35.16, 35.14, 35.15, 35.14. It's hard to hang in there. It's like I want to do just a little purchase right now while it's right where it's at. I feel comfortable doing it. I'm totally comfortable doing this right now. I'm just going to do a little bit. Let me see what price they give me on here. Let's see what it does here. They sold it to me at 35.4. Okay, 35.4. And it's going up. Oh, shit. Dude, it's going up. Now it's at 35.2 on here, and it's shooting up. Is he saying buy yet? On Races? Races isn't saying buy yet? Oh, fuck, dude. And I bought. Is it going to go back? 35.24, 35.26, 35.26, 35.24, 35.25, 35.23, 35.23, 35.22. Go down. It's fine if you go down. 35.24. Dude, that could be the bottom right here. This might be it. 35.27. 35.24. It didn't have to go all the way down to the fucking support. Not if somebody decided to fucking buy in. I wanted to buy in. Somebody else wanted to fucking buy in. Somebody with a lot of money. 35.28. 35.27. 35.28. 35, 28, 27, 28, 29, 29, 28, 27, dude, it's the fucking weekend, bro. It's where the goddamn's Joe at? Where's fucking Joe right now? Joe, where are you at, Joe? They're saying it's going to drop till 30K again, 29. Yeah, it'll be down like 31.1K support. I think that's what I said, right? 32.2 and 31. It was 32.2 and 31. But now it's at 35.3.35.5 right now. 35.355. Holy shit. It's going up, dude. Okay, I think it's I don't think it's going to turn back around, man. I could look over here and just see what Crypto Watch is showing. Oh, wow, dude. There's no volume. There's no volume. I think it's going to drop. There was a spike. Look at this fucking spike right here, guys. But I think but there's no volume, even though there's a drop. There's not enough. I don't think there's enough volume to sustain this. I think it's going to drop again. 35.28. 35.28. 35.31. 35.30. 35.31. If that volume spikes, man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It looks like it's going to drop, guys. 35.28. 35.28. 35.26. Look at that. 25. Look at this. It's dropping. I wanted to buy. I was so ready to buy some more. I'm like, I'm going to wait. I didn't do it. What is this right here? What is this? Oh, that's ratios? Okay. Here, if I move ratios, we could see ratios. Maybe if I do this with ratios. Yeah, now we can see ratios. Because that fucking thing pops up down there and says buy in green. Dude, 35.2, it's going down, baby. Down, down, down. Bitcoin's going down. It's going down, down, down. 35.20, 35.18. 35.17. 35.190. 150. 35.190. People are shorting it. Somebody just came into ratios and says, I just shorted at 35.8. I'm like, see, man, you're one of the bears. Look at that drop, guys. Look at that drop. 35.23, 24. It's going back up. 23. There's a yellow marker, but there's no volume. But there's that decrease in volume and decrease in value. It might spike up right now because that's what it's showing, guys. Oh, boy. Hold on. We're about to go up, man. For a spell. Oh, the Bears are in control, man. Boys be shorting. They're shorting, man. They're selling their positions. It's dropping. 35.18. Like I said, man, I'm all in if it goes to 32 too. 35. There's a nice downward trend still right now. 35.18. 35.19. My cat's finishing his food. Feel like having something to drink. Orange juice probably. 35.19, 35.18. This is an opportunity to buy Bitcoin at the lowest I've ever seen it. Ice, what's up? Slowski and Ice. Dude, what are the fucking chances of you two showing up at the exact same time? 9, 33, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 seconds apart. Slowski and Ice. It'll drop a 5 in the next hours. Long, short. I don't understand what you're trying to say, O'Kelly. Could you phrase that so I can understand what you mean? And we're at 35.24, guys. I hope you can see that on screen. I want you guys to be able to see what it's doing, because this is what I'm paying attention to right here. Really, right here. I'm looking right. You don't see my mouse, but it's right where those two crosshairs are. That's where I'm looking. And it looks like we got an uptick here. We could look at our other yeah, there's an uptick in everything. You see that? Everything's upticking right now. This could be the buy-in. Market is turning upwards. Market's turning up, dude. Bitcoin might go up right now, so let's just see what it does. 35.1, 35.13. It's dropping. Drop. Do a big giant drop. Just fucking bottom drop out right now, man. Let's do it. Let's go to 32.2 and bounce back up so I can buy in at 32.2. Let's do this. You're waiting until after July 4th? All right. Let me let my cat out and grab my orange juice. I'm fucking dying, man. I think I fucking murdered myself today. Oh my god. I ran out of fucking apricot nectar, man. My stomach hurts. I picked, did I show you guys my raspberries? I picked raspberries, man. Raspberries, man. Picked raspberries, man. Want to see my raspberries, man? Pick some raspberries, man. You guys want to see my raspberries? I picked raspberries, yo. You guys want to see my raspberries? I picked raspberries. How about you now? Dude. Forget about you. Forget about you. Look at us. Look at us. Look at this, look at that, look at you, look at me. Hey, look at that. Mark Cuban got fucked on crypto. Right? We need that. Yeah, because he lost money. Now we need control on the market, right? He's hilarious. Mark Cuban. What a little bitch ass. Mark Cunton. He's a little cunt bitch. He's a little cuntish. Mark Cunt. All right, so there's the drop. There's the drop. 34.9, guys. 35. Did you see that drop? What's it going to do? Drop. Come on, man. Is it going to bounce or is it going to drop? There might be some resistance here. 35 still. Up, there's yellow marker. Let's see what happens. Holy shit, it's all the way down to 35.0, guys. And up it goes. 35.13. 35.12. 13. Yo, Ice, you want a dab, son? Yeah, Ice, you trying to do dab, bruh? Yeah, Ice, trying to do dab, bruh? What you doing, bruh? You hanging out, bruh? You chilling, bruh? Right on, bruh. I should put the strings on my guitar. Gonna do dab did? Yeah, gonna do dab did? You doing a dab? Gonna do dab, bruh? I got some of that Panoy. Chilling with that Panoy. What, son? What, son? What, son? 35.08, 35.09, 35.07. There is no volume, guys. There is very little volume. We could see a drop. This could be us. This could be us. Boom, ba down, ba boom. Boom, ba boom, ba boom. Boom, boom, ba boom. Boom, 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 ba boom. Boom, 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 ba boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wum bum bow, wum bum bow, wum bow bow, bum bum bow. Wow, wow, wum bum bow, wow, wow, wum bum bow. In the shade, in the shade, in the shade. On the last splash. Boom, 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 boom. 35.04. 35.0. Oh, it is bouncing off 35.0 and it went back up to 0.2. All right. It's a bounce, 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 and like a basketball. Bow, 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 bow. Hey, if you guys are sharing this video, thank you guys so much for doing that. I hope you're having fun. 34.96. We did it! We did it, Adrian! We did it! 35.95. Here we go. Here we go. Down, 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 down. 34.92. The Bears are in control. Exactly as he predicted. Exactly as the moon predicted. Oh, Kelly says, this is it, dude. Yeah, this could be it. We broke through 35, son. Are you with me, O'Kelly? Psst, all hands on deck. Cheers. On that Panoy, what? Oh, that was so nice. Got the pleasure of helping a 91-year-old lady in her seat. She was trying to get on the bar stool. No one helped her but me. The fuck is wrong with people now? I don't know, Billy Bong, but thank you for being a human being, bro. That's what humans are supposed to do. I always imagine what's going to happen to me when I'm old and, you know, I don't have family or anybody to help me. What's going to happen? Shit like that. I think about that every once in a while, man. And it's nice that there are people in the world like you. So I'm thankful for you, bro. And I'm sure she was too. Okay, we're back up to 35-0. Are we going to drop back? Come on, what are we doing? What are we doing, man? 34. Here we go. 34.9. 34.97. 5 and 15 quarter 2 15 quarter 2 50 quarter 5. Come on, people, let's go. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Did you guys see my raspberries? Yo, I'll show you those. Off of my raspberry bush in the back that I didn't know was a raspberry bush. Can you believe that? Can you fucking believe it, though? What's up with that, man? What a nice compliment to doing a dab. Raspberry. 34.94, 34.92. Could we go down to 32.2? We're at 34.9. I'm waiting to buy. I did. Now, guys, I purchased some already. It was the lowest I've ever purchased Bitcoin at. Right? So that'll help bring down the average of expense that I've spent. But not much. It'll just be nice to see that cheap-ass purchase on there. You know, it'll be nice to see that. And when the value goes up, I'll know exactly how much of an amount I can spend and make money off of it, and exactly how much money I will be making when I sell it at a higher price. Never forget your fees, guys. You're paying fees on every one of these purchases, so don't forget that's costing money too. It's always good if you could just get it all one shot when it's the cheapest. And, you know, if you have that ability, yield. You know? 35.0. It's going between 35.0 and 39. It is really hit. Dude, he did not mention this as a point of resistance. And it really is. This is testing 35 right now. It is really testing 35K. So let me check in with the Reishi's chat here and see what they're saying. It still says sell, guys. So there's, even though there's a big green spike, so we should be okay. It might drop some more. Are we testing third? I'm going to ask him. Are we testing 35K exactly? We need volume. No volume yet. No volume till I long in, please, at 32.2. $35.1. $35.1. 35.0. $35.0. Bitcoin will fly. She bought you a beer and never asked for anything. Then the whole bar started buying you drinks. Was the best night she's ever been out on. Made me feel good. Oh, Billy Bong, that is awesome. 35.030. 3502, 35101. Ray Shiz still says sell. So we're getting a purple spike, guys. That means it's going to drop right now. We got a purple spike. So there's our resistance. Back down. It's going to should drive it under 35 again. Let's see if it does, because there's another green spike. It's like I so want to buy in right now. I know, 32, right? 32. That's what I'm saying, O'Kelly, 32. So here we go, 35-0. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 35-0. 35-0. 35-0. Look at the fucking testing, bro. 34-9. 35. Holy shit. 35-0. Are we going to break down underneath it? 35-0. This is exciting right here, guys. I want to make sure you guys can all see what I'm looking at. Here, I can do it like that. And yeah, I'm looking right here. What's gonna happen? We got two purple markers, guys, in a row, followed by a green spike. It's up 35-1, 35-0-9. You could use Binance. I've got Cardano on Binance right now. I could use my Cardano to buy Bitcoin. But I could put in an order at 32.2, and if it goes to 32.2, it would put the order through tonight, while I'm sleeping. Wow, 35-14, 35-13, and there's an upward trend, guys. But there was an upward trend before too, and then it went down. So let's see if it does this again. 35-10, 35-09, 08, 09, 10, 35-10, 35-09, 35-100, 35-098, 35-100. Huh. Here's another purple marker. Could be predicting a drop. Those purple markers don't really result in well, yeah, I guess they have in the past. But now in the last few minutes they have, but in the last 5 minutes they've been coming up and haven't been resulting in anything. So that's 3 purple markers. We should probably get a huge drop now because of 3 purple markers in a row. So I'm going to go ahead and predict a giant red spike down coming up here any second. Maybe right now. Maybe this green one's going to turn red. There's like no freaking volume. Where's my bears at, yo? It's fucked down 500 in a few minutes. $35.18, 17. It's gonna drop here. It's gonna go red. It's gonna fucking flip. There's just the only reason I'm saying that is because there's 3 purple markers, man, with nothing resulting from them. It's got to result in a massive whoa. Huh. I mean, I'm perfectly fine with just buying in right now if this is where it's going to be, but it could go down to 32.2 and then I'll be upset. I'd be like, dude, I bought it at 35 and it went down to 30 fucking 2 just like I said it was going to. Just like the moon said it was going to go down to 32.2. Oh, God. 35.16. Huh. 18. 16. Another 4th purple marker, guys. Holy shit. What is going on with our volume? Let's make that chart bigger. There's something going on with that. Let's look at that volume up close and personal. That volume is fucking crazy, bro. Ratios is still on the sell. Where is Ratios? I lost it. Here it is. Ratios. It's in the green though. Ratios might be about to give us a sell marker. So watch for that to appear right here. There might be a green flag pop up right here to buy. There's our red spike after 4 purple markers, guys. Holy shit. 35 to 20 and then it flipped green. 35, 20, 21, 20. I wonder what the time frame is on this prediction. There generally, I guess there isn't really a too much of a time frame. He doesn't know how long. He just knows where it's going to go. But I don't think he knows at what point. $32. So ratios. Come on, ratios. Ratios, give me that flag, bro. Let me know what to do here. That was a hell of a drop. It couldn't sustain that drop for too long, I would think. But, hey, once it readjusts, it's supposed to keep going down. 35.15, guys. 35.14, 35.13, 3512. Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple flags, guys. Fucking 5 purple flags in a row. And here's a red spike. 3509, 3508, 3509, 08, 09, 08, 0907, 3509. I got 3512, 13, 11, 10, 07. I got raspberries. 07, 074, 077, 072. Holy shit, don't shut my phone off. 070, 74, 72, 89, 100, 99, 99. Huh. Ratios is still holding, guys. Ratios isn't saying to buy yet. Wow. It's not like we're surprised, you know, it's what it's supposed to do, but it's just taken a long time. You know, it was moving down faster before, and now it's just kind of stagnated at this 35K level. It is so weird how those resistance lines work. Exactly as I predicted. Man, I've had a few nice sunsets the last few nights. The bottoms are kind of coming up, so it doesn't look like this is that big drop that all of those 5 fucking purple markers. Now there's only 4 purple markers, but there were 5 there, and I was expecting a much bigger drop right now than what it's done. Now it's showing yellow like it's going to go up. Maybe it's going to readjust and drop again. This should be interesting. Will it be exactly as I predicted? Kit Kat Bars makes a fucking ice cream cone. Have you guys seen this? Comes in a red box. You got a nephew in Barstow. That's cool. No, I don't think you said that. Exactly as I predicted. 35, 16, 15, 16, 15, 15. Thirteen, 12. My I wonder if I'm gonna stay up to do this or not. You know? I've already purchased a little bit at the lowest price I've ever bought Bitcoin at ever on this live stream. So that's cool. I could do it again, and if I do it again, it'll be even lower than I bought it before. Got a purple marker and a red spike. Red candle. Go red candles. Do we want to see the wicks, man? Why don't we see the wicks on here? We probably want to see those, don't we? You can see it fucking how far down it went and where it got pushed back to by the resistance. 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 Could this be our elevator going down? I'm just looking for that one candlestick to just drop, dude. Oh, could this be it? Could this be our big spiking drop down? It goes right through 35.0 and into 34.9 territory. I guess not. There's no volume, guys. Dude, Copper Cab live streams are so fun. Have you guys checked that out yet, that Copper Cab? He's fucking crazy. Holy shit. They're shit big so I can see it. Oh no, man! Why are you closing my other windows? Stupid Windows 10. Why did you close my other fucking windows? You fucking idiots. God. Windows 10 sucks, man. Doesn't even make sense. Why do they do their bullshit? They closed all my windows while I was messing with another window. So fucking stupid. We got a yellow spike, but it just turned red. We're 3504. It's really just testing 35. 3504. Zero 03. Whoa, big spike right there in volume of selling. That could drop the price. What was the lowest I bought? I think it was like 35.4 or something. Was the purchase? Let me see. Yep, 35.4. And when it says 35.0, it's like 35.3 for me on here. Here, let me see what they try to charge me right now. They're telling me right now it's at 35.1. Wow, 35.1 right now. 34.9. There. Wow, 992. $992, guys. 34,992. And it fucking bounced back up again. Can you believe that? So I just got some more. They gave it to me at 35.1. No. That's the lowest I've ever bought Bitcoin at. 35.1, well, almost 35.2. 35.179. Almost a $15 fee. 34,990, 992, 35. I mean, I'm sure it's going to go down to 32 too. But I'm more than happy to have bought it at 35 if it does. Because I'm sure I'm going to miss that and it's going to bounce right back up. It's going to hit 32.2 and go boom! Like 39, 40, 41. Watch. It's going to explode. Here it's back up to 35. And it's showing a green candle. Which is right in the middle. It's showing the movement, the resistance of both sides. And up, yellow. So it's pushing it down. 35.0, 34, 34.9, guys. 35.0. 35.0. So what I could do is I pull up my Robinhood and I can look and see where it resides over the day. I feel real good. I feel real good about where I'm purchasing it at, right? That's where I'm purchasing it at. Look at the far left of that screen. I feel real good about where I'm getting it at. That's over the last 24 hours. Or the last day. 34.9. 98. 34.98. Dude, we're about to hit the daily low, man. If it goes down to 34.833, that's the low of the day, guys. 34.984. When you're trying to long, that's what you want to see. You want to get to that low. 34.98, guys. Holy shit. Dude, it broke through. It's at 34.98, man. It could keep dropping. 34.99, 9.94, 9.92, 9.94, 9.98. Up. It went back up to 35. Get in while you can get in, right? And you know what? You think it's gonna go up, and then boom, you wake up the next day and find out it went all the way down to 31, and you're like, oh god damn it. You know, if you were a night owl and you had this up on all of your TV sets or on your phone all night, you know, and you're like doing work around the house and shit, you could literally just wait. Or you learn how to set those orders. And I've used those before and they work, man. Yeah, man. I accidentally set sell orders, I think, for some stuff. I don't know what I did. I think I fucked something up. I ended up selling off some crypto by accident. 34.990, 994, 997, 994. Now it's back up to 35.0, 35.0, 34.996, 34.991, 990. You know, drop in value, but not a drop in volume. It's just a steady, basically low volume, which does not help give us spikes upwards. That could cause a drop, man, and we could get a drop here any second. And there's a yellow marker. What? There's double yellow marker. Double yellow marker, man. It means it's supposed to go up right now. It's at 35. 34. 9. 34. What time of day is it? 9:22 p.m.? Really? Dude, I'm fucking exhausted from working outside today. Holy shit. I thought it was like midnight. I busted my ass today. I showed you guys the pictures, right? Who saw the pictures of what I did today? The gravel. I was on my hands and knees, man. Out in that heat. You guys want to see the sun I got? I bet I got burned on my shoulder and shit from being out in the sun. You can't really see it. 35.03. 03. Hey, Darius, longing is definitely an investment term, and you're a fucking idiot for saying that to me and then saying LMAO. You're a fucking dumbass. Hey, Darius, why don't you go on YouTube right now and type in shorting and longing and tell me what comes up. In fact, you know what, douchebag, you fucking dumb cunt? I'll bring it up for you, okay, you little fucking know-it-all bitch. I'll bring it up for you. Here, let's go to YouTube and let's type in shorting crypto. Wow. Huh. You know what? You know what, dude? I'm not even going to bring up a fucking video, you jack fuck. I'm going to show you what just popped up on my screen. Smart selection. Here, watch this. Oh, what do you see? The very first fucking thing when I typed in longing and. Longing and shorting crypto. Longing and shorting. Longing and shorting Bitcoin. Longing and shorting on Binance. Longing and shorting at the same time. Huh. What'd you say, Darius, you little fucking dumb cunt bitch? Longing is not an investment term? Laughing my ass off? Now who's laughing, you fucking dumb cunt? God, I hate people like you. People like you are such little cunt bitches. Are you sucking it, motherfucker? What's the matter? You can't respond because you got my fucking fat cock shoved down your throat? You fucking bitch. God, that felt good. Hey, Darius. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, Darius. Did you guys like that? Give me a, I don't know, give me a fucking candle icon or something in the goddamn chat. Let me know you guys appreciate shit like that. Talk to me, people. Are you with me? There's supposedly a bunch of you here. Is anybody gonna fucking back me up here? I'm trying to teach you guys shit. Some little cocksmoker comes in here and tries to say longing is not an investment term, laughing my ass off, and none of you are gonna fucking defend me? After I've been sitting here trying to teach you this shit all night? I literally been sitting here fucking trying to teach you guys crypto all night, and not one of you is gonna fucking pipe up for me? $35, 1, 2. And big green spike upwards, which we haven't seen like that in a while. Could it go down? Could it reverse? Yes, it could reverse, but will it? Hello, are any of you here? Can you guys type in the chat? Any of you at all? Maybe my chat's just not working. I tell you what, I'll refresh the chat. How about that? I'll refresh the chat. Maybe it's my bad. Or Restream's bad. Chat's back up. Anybody here? It still Ratius does not say to buy yet. Huh. Ratius doesn't say to buy yet. Hello, are any of you in the chat? Can any of you say anything to me? Hey, man, somebody, anybody. Anybody? Can anybody say anything? Here, I'll say something in the chat. Hi. There, I said hi in the chat. Anybody else? Can anybody else talk in the chat? I guess you can't. I guess it's just not... I'm sure you guys are saying shit, right? I'm sure you guys are saying shit. I'm sure. It's just none of it's coming up for me. I don't know why. The chat all of a sudden stopped working. So, I don't know what any of you... You know, Dude, they can't sustain that upwards movement for much longer. Let's see what it does. 35.2. Like, I'm checking to make sure I'm still on the internet, man. I mean, all this stuff is still working. Maybe you guys could tweet at me or something. I don't know. Maybe Iceman could text me. All my communications have been cut off. Sucks. Sucks, man. Hello? Fucking restream chat. I'm going to refresh it again. Wow, Bitcoin's just exploding right now. 35.3. He never said it had to go down to 32.2. That may have been the low, guys. 35.3, 35.4, 35, 35.5. I think I'm good, dude. I got a little bit when it was low. I could take that out when it gets really high if it's going to explode right now and do like a trade. Fire off a trade. Can any of you guys chat in my chat at all? Are any of you guys capable of chatting in my chat at all? I'm going to go with no. I can't believe Restream's chat's not working, man. It ruins my show, man. Hey, it says bye. It says bye, guys. It says bye. Okay, I'll buy one more. I'll buy one more right now. They're charging. They got me at 35.6 or 35.7. They got me at 35.67. So there you go, guys. There is my longing in to Bitcoin at the low. I went by what Ratius said. Ratius isn't up on the screen anymore. Here. Ratius is showing a buy right here. So I went ahead and I bought, just like Ratius said, and I bought prior to that. I got way down here. I bought down here, I bought right here, and up we go. So now we're at 35.5, and Bitcoin should be, according to Ratius, going upwards. It'll be interesting to see what it does. I'm sorry that I can't see your chat, guys. I'm thinking maybe I'll go over to the... Can't see your chat. Let me go to YouTube. Main channel. You guys want to chat with me? Go. There's 13 of you over there. Awesome. Go to the main channel on YouTube, and I'm going to pull up that chat, okay? Hang out, fat bottom girls. You make the rockin' world go round. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, I can see one person is in the chat. Only one person is talking in the chat. Yeah, I probably blocked you on Restream chat, bro, with that name. That's why you're not coming up on chat. Nobody else is talking, huh? Okay. Nobody else is talking. Hey, Bob Reed, Bob Reed. Bob Reed, the chat's working again. Bob Reed. Man, that's good to see. Man, it's good to see you, Bob Reed. Bob Reed, I can see you. Hey, look, man, Ratius said to buy, and it's going down. I wonder if it's only going to go down for a little bit and keep going up. It's at 35.3. 35.3 right now, guys. 35. 35.3. Dad told me, shut up, sit back and listen and I'll learn. Haha, Bob. Just, yeah, and also type to me and talk to me, though. Because I want to be able to know that you guys can hear me and that you're out there listening and stuff like that. It's very, very important. Just like getting these microphones into the exact right, proper position. It's very important to me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Bitcoin's dropping. What's Ratia's say? Ratia's still says to buy, man. You gotta hang in there with what Ratia's says. You gotta believe in Ratia's, bro. Ratia's, bro. Ratia's. Ratia's, bro. Ratia's, bro. Ratia's, bro. See that buy button? See that buy button, bruh? In the corner, bruh? See the buy button in the corner, bruh? There's a buy button in the corner, bruh. See the buy button in the... You see the buy button in the corner, bruh? All right, I'm so glad. I longed into Bitcoin on this show, which is great. Nothing wrong with that. And we'll see what it does. We'll see if it bounces back now. It's all the way down to 35.2. 35.1. Which Raish is going to reverse his buy. 35.1, guys. It's going back down. 35.1. 35.15. 16. 15. 16. Raish is still saying buy. 15. 16. 18. That's nice and low. Yeah, it says buy. Oh, look, it's flashing. Did you guys see it just it's flashing. It flashed off. The buy sign just flashed off. Right when you asked about it, Bob. That's funny. So that means we're going down, son. 35.16, 35.17, 35.15. Wow, that was exciting. So it could go down, dude. If it goes underneath that 35.0 again, we'll just see how much. Look at the volume, man. The volume dropped out and it's all red. There, it just went green. So that should mean an uptick. A drop in volume, drop in value should mean a yellow bar right now. Should start going back up again. Let's see what Ray Shiz does. Ray Shiz might bring up his buy flag again. I guess the people on YouTube, I don't know, man. Nobody's talking. Whatever. I don't know why people watch this show and don't interact with it. There's the yellow flag, guys. Exactly as I predicted. Warren Buffett once said that it's wise for investors to be fearful when others are greedy. And greedy when others are fearful. The opposite of the sheep, right? Well, I'm not a whale, that's for sure. I'm just a little crab. I'm just a little crab. Crabbing along with my little bitcoins. 35.26. We're getting pushback, no? Right on, Snow. It's going down again. 35.25. What's up, Beazle? 250, 238, 233, 220. Huh. 200. Yeah, that's one thing. I'm not going to be liquidated. I'm buying in right now. But I'm thinking it's going to go down to 32.2. And I'm just waiting for my set. You know? I definitely had to buy in some though when it was this low. I had to. Whether it gets down to 32.2 or not, man, I'm happy at 35 because it's the lowest I've ever bought Bitcoin at. Is 35. And I'll always be able to say I bought Bitcoin when it was 35,000 bucks. Not a lot, but I bought some way back. Way back when it was 35, 2 weeks ago. Dude. I can't wait till I can say that. I want to put that on Twitter. Exactly as I predicted. I can't wait for the day to come where I can say I bought Bitcoin at 35,000 2 weeks ago. I think I'll leave ratios up. Um, Man, people are predicting anywhere from $1 to $5 million Bitcoins. It's crazy. You know, if I've got a few Bitcoins and they're $1 million each, I'll be really happy. How many of you guys are still with us, man? The chat is working, I believe. But you got to chat so I can see that you're here, guys. Been live for 2 hours. Did exactly what I said I was going to do on the show. We longed at Bitcoin. We'll see if it holds this price. If it goes down to 32.2, you know, I should have waited. But I'm getting tired and I'm getting cranky. And the fact that you guys are refusing to talk to me is really pissing me the fuck off. So, hi, Ann. I try to do these videos. I'm thinking I'm helping y'all, but none of you guys want to participate. I'm assuming you're just not chatting because I went over to YouTube and there was no chat going on over there. And I'm assuming you guys aren't chatting on Facebook either. Just Bob and Snow. Bob and Snow. And Ann Knudsen. Thank you, the three of you. 18 viewers, man. You know? And you guys just don't want to talk to me. It's crazy. None of you. And, you know, you guys could tweet at me right now. Go ahead, send me a tweet and say, hey, man, we're trying to talk to you. It's not working. You know, go ahead. Send me a tweet right now. Here, I'll pull my Twitter up. Tweet at me. Two hours ago, Nick Brown. Nope, you guys aren't going to tweet at me. Did you sell your Bitcoin? No, I'm longing. I'm buying in. Longing means you're buying. Shorting means you're selling it off. And to buy it later when it's cheap. Nobody's going to tweet at me. Okay. Nobody... Nobody's going to tweet at me to say that you're trying to talk to me. Okay. I think I'll just have another goddamn raspberry. Am I holding Ethereum? Yeah. Logan, Bitcoin's at the lowest I've ever seen it while I've got money. I just happen to have money to buy some. And it's really low right now. So that's why I'm longing in. And eating raspberries while I do it. Okay. I seen you bought some loser. You ever paid for them? Huh, Bob Reed? I invested $5K on Ethereum when it was $10 a pop. I made $4 million after taxes at 3,900. Said it was short. Lived once I got divorced. I lost 65% of it. It was short-lived. Well, you still got $1 million, right? God, that's crazy. You bought Ethereum when it was $10. And you sold it when it was about 4,000. What a great story, bro. I got to put that up on my Twitter. People need to see shit like that. No one will see it. Don't worry, bro. No one even looks at my Twitter. It's going to get 1 like and a retweet, maybe. Oh, your name's anonymous upside down. I see. So you're not concerned about the effects of a death cross? No, because the market has strengthened, and death crosses aren't as necessarily as telling as they used to be. The market's matured, man. There's more people in it. Even people like Elon Musk, man, they try to hurt it, and now it's getting stronger and stronger. Can you feel it? Nobody's fucking talking to me on goddamn Twitter. Alright, so follow Crypto Cult 420 on Twitter, at Crypto Cult 420 on Twitter. Does that say sell on Reishis? No, it does not. It is just... Okay. Some bullshit, okay. I gotcha. It still says buy. It's about to go up, I guess. I guess it's about to go up. It wouldn't be such a bad time to buy some more, you know? Racious. I tried and said nice. Like the attitude about like me. If you don't like me, screw you, and you say what you feel, and if you don't like... Right, Bob? Thanks, Bob. I appreciate that. Alright, kids. I'm afraid you're going to be on your own. Do what you will. Be careful with this crypto stuff, guys. It's a lot of fun, but you got to know what you're doing when you fuck with it, okay? Alright, I will see you guys. I'll talk to you soon. And follow me over there on Twitter at CryptoCult420 and at Nays Garden. Yes, the garden is out there and it's doing its thing. So we'll be doing some more grow updates real soon, probably tomorrow morning. I don't know. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I wish more of you participated in the chat. I would have absolutely stayed longer. But nobody's only a few of you are, and that's too bad. With so many viewers, and nobody's wanting to talk. So, bye, guys. Later, Anonymous. Later, guys.